Hola, peoparinos.
What's happening?
Welcome to this episode of the Disney Beans. I'm Sherry.
I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there watching Jessie.
Hey, Jessie.
Yeah, she's discovered the actual Disney Channel, and she's like obsessed with Jessie right now.
Yeah, that's her thing right now.
Rest in peace, Cameron Boyce. Have a couple of things here where we got some magic Disney mail to share.
We did.
But before that, we gotta find out
what's in the box.
So once again, it's from our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box. I forgot. I need to get my phone. Hold on one second.
Okay, well, while she's doing that, if you are a fan of the Mickey Mystery Box unboxings, we do these once a month. And also we have our trip vlogs that are going up every week. Right now, I think we are in our, I want to say, is it October?
What?
The trip vlog we're on right now, is it?
No, it's January 2018.
January 2018 is what we're on. So if you like what you see, give us a like, hit the little bell button up there so you know when we post something new. And make sure to subscribe. So we've got a lot of stuff going on with the Mickey's Mystery Box. Disclaimer time.
So the disclaimer is we are not sponsored. One of our videos
or
affiliated. One of our videos is on their website, but we are not affiliated. I pay for this box with my own money. This is the Spoonful of Sugar box, and it's the small monthly subscription box. It's around $29.99, and with shipping, it's usually around
$40.
$40. However,
no, wait. Before we go to that, the video that's posted on their website was done with our permission.
Yes. So. However, because Mickey's Mystery Box enjoys our videos and we have always sung their praises, they have graciously given us a coupon code.
What?
For anyone
who tell me this.
Yeah, I thought I did. No. So anyone who watches our videos can use we have a code with them. And like I said, we do not get any money off of this. But it is promotional. It is promotional. It is a way to thank us and thank our viewers. So this is the email box. Thank you again for sharing Mickey's Mystery Box unboxing videos on YouTube. We have created a personal coupon code for you to be able to share with your subscribers, which gets them 10% off their first monthly box. So your first monthly box, doesn't matter if you do the small, medium, or large, it gets you 10% off of that first box. Your coupon code is TheBeams10.
All one word.
All one word. TheBeams10. And I'll try to put it in the description box below when I post this. So
TheBeams 10.
Yes.
Is the coupon code. That's awesome. You didn't tell me about that.
I could have sworn I did. I'm sorry about that.
Wow, that's cool.
But your first box is 10% off. So there you go.
And I will tell you that they do watch.
Yes, they do.
Because we've had instances where we would say something, and next thing you know, there's something pertaining to what we said.
Go back and watch some of our videos.
In the box.
Yes, go back and watch some of our videos.
Their service is amazing.
Yes.
They have done nothing but be awesome.
So let's find out for this month.
What's in the box?
And unbox the magic, baby.
We got confetti. As is tradition, we have confetti.
Oh my goodness!
I like that they went back to the confetti and away from the popcorn, because the confetti is tradition.
It is a tradition. So the first thing I'm seeing is this a DVD?
What? Wait, what? Or is it a book?
No, it's a book.
So what do you got there?
It is a Walt Disney masterpiece, The Lion King.
All right, well, let's take a look inside.
It's
a journal.
It's a journal.
Oh wow!
So
that's
it's
great.
a journal.
It looks like a VHS
and look
tape.
at it. It's a VHS tape, like little page, and then you've got like little journal pages.
I think that's really cute.
And it has like grid pages too.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. I think it could be for that one in there. But look, it's like it literally looks like it's a slimmer version of an old VHS box. It's even got the description of the movie, The Lion King, on the back, like it did back in the day. Josie, So this retails for $15.99.
That's really cool.
This is awesome.
So that'll be something for Josie to do journaling in. That's great.
Absolutely. So, Josie, oh my goodness. So.
Oh wow.
And next we have Millennium Pink Ears.
What?
This was one of those one of the fads from earlier this year, but
like the rose gold.
Yeah, kind of like the rose gold. But I love pink. Josie's favorite color is pink, so this could be for either one of us. There is no tag on it, so usually these are around
$25, right?
Anywhere between 20 and $25. Oh, here's something rattling. I hope nothing broke. Oh no.
I hope it's not rattling inside of here. Here, let me put this in the box.
Okay, I will say that
Here,
Josie, please be quiet. I will say that the one time that we've had a broken mug, they came through the following month and got us a different. It was a different mug. But it was
the other mug, the mug that was broken that came through.
Yeah, but it was awesome.
In fact, it's right here, so it's
yeah,
still
we never thrown it away.
That was the mug that was broken.
But
when
the
it came
next
out of the
month
box,
they came through with that that Edna.
Yes, they did.
Mug.
So they definitely take care of that type of situation. So it's tape.
It is tape. If it's broken, it's not their fault.
I hear something in there.
Yeah.
I hope it's not broken.
I hope not. Anyway, just to let you know,
it could be whatever it is. It just has a moving piece.
Maybe it's got a moving piece. You never know.
We don't know until we get it open.
But just want to let you know, Josie's getting ready to do her first dance convention tomorrow, on Saturday.
Solo.
On Saturday. We'll talk a little bit about that, but you finally got it open. Let's see what it is. Just be careful.
I'm trying to be very careful.
Pull that down. Oh, I see pieces coming out.
Yeah, something didn't make it.
Oh no.
Something didn't make it, which makes me sad. But
I know.
I mean, they pack it very well.
They pack it very well. It's not.
When you're dealing with
lots of pieces.
When you're dealing with the post office, sometimes this happens because the post office, the U.S. Postal Service, is not very careful with items marked fragile.
I know, right?
This was a mug of some sort.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It was BB-8.
Oh no.
That was for me too. I bet you. It was a BB-8 mug and it's shattered at the top.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that stinks. Well, I'll contact them.
Yeah.
I'll contact them and let them know what happened.
Yeah.
Hopefully they can find another one or something really cool.
It looks like it's just the top that came apart.
Oh.
Yeah, because the actual mug piece is fine, but the top that's part BB-8,
yeah.
like the little topper part came apart.
Oh.
I mean, I could still use this mug, honestly.
Yeah. But I wonder if that was more for like tea because you steep tea and maybe to put it like on top.
Okay, so the pricing on this was $19.99.
Okay.
It's a really cool. I mean, I could use it as a mug. I mean, actually, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of the way that it's tapered. I don't know.
Yeah.
Here, let me.
Josie, dip it.
What do we talk about, baby girl? Let us finish.
All right. So once again, another great box. Unfortunately,
amazing box.
Yeah. Just unfortunately, this happened.
Unfortunate that the BB-8 lost his head.
Yeah. Don't lose your head. This is Star Wars, not Highlander.
Right.
Thank you. So to recap, we've got the Lion King journal, which is really awesome. That's like that. And then it was the the ears fell.
The ears. Yeah, the Millennium Pink ears. I've saved them.
Oh. The Millennium Pink ears. That is cute. That should be your new profile picture. And then the broken BB-8 mug, which is just so freaking adorable.
Yeah, I mean, I love the mug. I wish it would have made it. I mean, and when you're shipping fragile items, sometimes it happens because of the post office. It just is.
Okay, so don't forget the Beams 10 go to Mickey's Mystery Box and get your first month subscription box for 10% off. Use our code, man.
Now, you've got some other stuff here to share, don't you?
I do. So, we are friends with Sprinkle Me Disney, Missy, Casey, and Elijah.
Yeah.
And, they started another business called Casey's Crochet Corner.
Is Casey crocheting?
No, it's actually Missy that is.
Well, if it's Casey's crochet corner, he should be the one crocheting.
But it's more illiterate.
Come on, Casey.
It's more alliteration to say Casey's crochet corner.
But Casey, come on, step up. If it's gonna be in your name.
I actually do know how to crochet.
I mean, I've crocheted before. I actually helped my grandmother crochet a napkin one time.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So we got 4. Count them 4. Of their cozies that they have made, and I'm going to show them off right now. I got one for each of us, and then one that Josie and I are probably going to have to share. So for Gooch, I got R2D2.
Sweet.
I love how sparkly it is.
So speaking of, we're going to go ahead and
Yep, there you go.
There it is. Right there.
Boom.
Thank you very much.
So the next, the next one is for I got specifically for Josie. She loves Figment. So there you can see there's the Figment cozy, and then for me, everyone knows my favorite ride is Haunted Mansion. So
if you know her, you know her favorite ride is Haunted Mansion.
I got Madame Leota. It's hard to see when you get it.
It's actually kind of cool because if you back it up, then she appears.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That is really cool. So, but then the one, and I got the very last one that they had made of this. I'm very proud of this one.
This is the one that you're going to have to fight with Josie
Yes, over. Because she has become a very big fan of a movie that I love called Hocus Pocus. And
come on.
So, I got the squad goals, so you have Sarah with the long blonde hair, Mary, and Winifred. My name's Winifred. What's yours? I bet a spell on you. Now you're mine. But and she sent with that one. She sent this really sweet note on the invoice. It said thank you and put like an exclamation point with a Mickey head, Missy, and it says, "I hope you love it, Josie." And then Fosney Girls for Life. I guess I should explain. So Fosney Girls are myself, Missy, Sarah from Magical Moments, and Lori from Mermaid and Jedi Adventures. And it happened because of a Twitter exchange that we were having, and I say something. I think it was like, I love Disney After Hours. And then all of a sudden I start getting these notifications, and they're like laughing at me. I'm like, what?
Autocorrect got her. It's the Fosney Girls.
Yeah, and then I went back and looked at my Twitter.
It said, I love Fosney After Hours.
They said, yeah, we love Fosney too. And I'm like, what are you talking about? And I go back and look at my tweet. I'm like, oh my God. So after that, the 4 of us we're the Fosney Girls. And I keep telling Missy that she should make one of the shirts from their Sprinkle Me Disney shirt thing saying we could all use a little Fosney in our day. For the 4 of us.
Nice. She needs to make one for Sarah Watkins that talks about
obnoxious balloon. We can all, because we all need a little obnoxious balloon in our day.
Right.
So these are our 4. Hold up these are our 4, and we cannot wait to take these. We may let Grandma Mona use one of these too. So we will be taking these on our trip in December. So yes, like you said, the vlogs for right now are January 2018.
I thought they were January
2018. Yep. And so I'm working on those.
And we've completed the Vera Beach trip.
We have completed the Vera Beach trip. I'm not going to do the cross country trip right now because I just don't have time. Josie's at dance 4 nights a week.
And that one's going to be a lot.
It's going to be a lot because this is a 2-week trip.
Because you've got not just Disney stuff. You've got stuff from all the way across the country. You've got Graceland. You've got Winslow, Arizona. You've got Landscape. You've got Vegas, and then you've got Disneyland, yes. Good Springs, Nevada's on there too. And the Adventures of Trade Monkey. That's a can't miss. Yes, absolutely. But I'm not going to go into those right now just because I don't have time with Josie's dance and soccer going on. We just don't have time. We're trying to gear up for our next trip coming up in December. That's right. That's going to be the Grandma Mona trip.
Yep, can't wait. So this coming Saturday, Josie has her very first 3-hour dance convention. It's actually at her studio. And then in November, she's going to another convention, and she will be competing her solo for the first time. So we just got a lot of stuff going on, and you know, we're proud of that little girl in there. She's crushing first grade and just
doing well in soccer. She's crushing dance. She's working on her first solo.
Yes, and she works very hard on it.
She does.
So.
She really she seems to love it.
She absolutely loves it.
She really does.
So she actually, what was funny, she actually told me the other day, Mommy, I know what I want to do when I grow up. And I said, what? She said, I want to win so you think you can dance like Bailey. Because Bailey's her first.
Wow.
And actually on her official, she has an Instagram account. She had me make a comment to him when he won, just, you know, basically saying, you're my favorite and I'm so happy you won. And he responded with like a little like heart and like prayer hands for her. So that was really, really, really cool. But yeah, she's going to be working at these conventions, working with some industry professionals. And she's going to be getting a deeper dive into the whole, you know, doing technique and everything. So this is a big year for her, and we're so excited. So yeah. So I think that's a good place to leave off. We'll have a little. This makes me so sad.
I know. I mean, it's still cute.
It's super cute, but I love BB-8 so much.
Well, it would be cuter with his head.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. You know.
Oh well, we'll see if they can do something about it.
Yeah, we'll see.
But yeah, I'm going to be posting this tomorrow from where we're. I forgot to show you on these. They have their little logo on the back.
Casey's Crochet Corner.
Yep, CCC.
Which, if it's Casey's Crochet Corner, then Casey should be crocheting. I'm just saying. So Missy, when you watch this, make sure Casey sees that.
Just saying.
I mean, if I'm gonna wear pink ears, he can crochet. I'm just saying.
All right, so you want to call Josie in here?
Josie, you want to come help us sign off?
Come on, baby.
Hey.
No, let's come on.
Come on.
You want to say hi to everyone?
Yep.
So we got some missing teeth here.
I was just gonna let you stand there, but okay.
Yeah. So I know. Look at that.
Look at all those teeth missing.
So Josie, are you having fun at dance this year? Are you loving your solo? Yeah.
She's showing off her teeth right now.
Yep. So that's good. That's going to be a new journal.
New journal.
I know.
Isn't it great? You
happy about that?
Let me see.
Well, it has blank pages, so you can write.
It
has
Timon right there.
Yeah, there's Timon.
Yeah.
I want to see the rest.
Well,
that's what it is. They're empty pages for you to write on. It's a journal. So anyway, Josie, so we're getting ready to sign off, and you're looking forward to our the December trip with Grandma Mona, aren't you? Yeah.
I'm gonna bring my journal with me.
Okay.
Hey.
So what? That's really?
Oh, here. No, careful.
Right, let's put them on you.
I'm gonna do it.
Like a pro.
Look at that. Oh my gosh,
like
that
pro.
is adorable. Looks like they were made for you. Look.
Really?
Really
What are you
sassy
doing,
booty.
Blue Steel? All right.
So Josie, put the book down. We're gonna sign off. Okay.
Wait.
Put the book down.
Simone.
Yep. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So let's. How do we sign off?
Love, peace, walk, and
A little bit of pixie
A
dust.
little bit of tinker toodles. All right, Josie. Josie, please let me do it. Please let me do it. Mwah!
All right.
Josie.
See ya.
Bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.
See ya.